exploring strategies to secure a regular income. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you on your journey. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Segment 1. Understanding dividend stocks. One of the most reliable ways to generate regular income in the stock market is through dividend-paying stocks. These stocks distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly. Research companies with a history of consistent dividends and analyze their payout ratios. Segment 2. Diversification for stability. Diversifying your stock portfolio is key to managing risk and ensuring a steady income stream. Explore different sectors and industries to create a well-balanced portfolio. This can help mitigate the impact of downturns in any specific market. Segment 3. Utilizing dividend ETFs. Another option for regular income is investing in dividend exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds consist of a collection of dividend-paying stocks, providing instant diversification. We'll explore how to select the right dividend ETFs for your investment goals. Segment 4. Writing covered calls. For those comfortable with a more hands-on approach, writing covered calls can be an effective strategy. This involves selling call options on stocks you already own, generating income through the option premiums. We'll discuss the risks and rewards associated with this strategy. Segment 5. The power of REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are another avenue for regular income. These entities own and operate income-producing real estate. We'll explore the types of REITs available and how they can contribute to a diversified income-focused portfolio. Segment 6. Setting realistic goals. It's crucial to set realistic income goals based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. We'll discuss how to establish achievable targets and the importance of regular reviews and adjustments to your investment strategy. There you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide on how to generate regular income in the stock market. Remember, investing always carries risks. So make sure to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow investors. Until next time, happy investing!